Hello, and welcome to 10-Minute Flow on the Fly. My name is Barbara Massa, and I'll be leading you through today's practice. We'll go ahead and start in Tadasana, mountain pose, at the top of the mat. The shoulders roll down the back, the belly is engaged, and the weight is evenly distributed between all four corners of the feet. We'll take a second just to connect to the breath, breathing in and out of the nostrils, in and out of the nose. On an inhale, circle the arms up, interlacing all the fingers except for those index fingers. And exhale, lean it over to the right. Back to center on the inhale. And exhale, leaning it over to the left. We'll come back through center, inhale. And cactusing the arms out like a W on the exhale. Coming back through center, arms are at the ears. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. Inhale, hands to shin, flat back. And exhale, stepping back and lowering down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Chest lifts, cobra on the inhale. And exhale, tucking the toes, lifting the hips, downward facing dog. On an inhale, hips stretch, elongating the spine. And exhale, step or hop, top edge of the mat. We'll rise to a flat back on the inhale. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. Inhale, arm circle, root to rise, interlacing those fingers. And exhale, dropping it over to the right. Back to center on the inhale. And dropping it over to the left, exhale. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, arms cactus out like a W, small back bend. Inhale, arms reach high to the sky. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. Chest lifts, flat back, inhale. And exhale, stepping back and moving through your vinyasa. Inhale, heart shines forward, cobra, maybe up dog. And exhale, pressing back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, right leg rises, three-legged dog. Exhale, step it between the hands, placing the weight into the left hand. Right arm rises, twisted lunge, inhale. And releasing it back, runner's lunge, exhale. Inhale, arms rise, crescent lunge. So the belly is engaged here as you slowly work that back leg towards straight by driving the back heel towards the back of the mat. Shoulders roll down the back, creating space there between the shoulders and the ears, and that front thigh is parallel to the mat. Go ahead and squeeze the inner thighs towards one another, and on an inhale, reach the arms up even further towards the sky, looking up. And exhale, hands frame the front foot, stepping back, moving through your vinyasa. We'll inhale your back bend variation, and exhale, pressing back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, step it between the hands. We'll lift the left arm up, twisted lunge, inhale. And exhale, releasing it back down towards the mat. We'll rise to crescent on the inhale. So the arms are in line with the ears. That front thigh is parallel to the mat and the shoulders are rolling down away from the ears. Go ahead and squeeze the inner thighs towards one another, and on an inhale, look up towards the hands for full expression. And exhale, moving through your vinyasa. We'll inhale, heart shines forward, your back bend variation. And exhale, shifting back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, hips lift. And exhale, step or hop light, top of the mat. We'll inhale to a flat back. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms circle, root to rise, interlacing the fingers. And exhale, leaning it over to the right. Back to center, inhale. And exhale, over to the left. We'll come back through center on the inhale. And cactus the arms, exhale, maybe looking back. Inhale, arms circle in line with the ears. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. We'll inhale to a flat back. And exhale, stepping back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, chest lifts, your back bend variation. And exhale, pressing back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, the right leg rises. Exhale, step it between the hands. We'll rise to crescent on the inhale. And opening up, finding warrior two, exhale. So that front heel is in line with the arch of that back foot. The front toes face forward with the knee in line with the ankle. Activate the inner thighs of both legs as you extend both arms energetically out in opposite directions. Now on an inhale, flip that front palm and reverse the warrior. And exhale, windmill the arms as you move through your vinyasa. We'll inhale cobra, maybe up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, step it between the hands. Rise to crescent on the inhale. And exhale, opening up, finding warrior two. The shoulders roll down the back, away from the ears. The chest is open as you energize through both sets of those fingertips out in opposite directions. That front thigh is parallel to the mat, activating the inner thighs of both legs. On an inhale, flip that front palm, reverse the warrior. And exhale, arm circle, moving through your vinyasa. Heart lifts, cobra, maybe up dog. And exhale, pressing back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, hips stretch. And exhale, step or jump light, top edge of the mat. We'll inhale to a flat back. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. On an inhale, arm circle, root to rise, interlacing those fingers. And exhale, dropping it over to the right. Back through center, inhale. And leaning it over to the left, exhale. Coming back to the center, inhale. And exhale, small back bend as your arms cactus out like a W. Inhale, arms at the ears, looking up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chest lifts, flat back. And exhale, stepping back and moving through your vinyasa. We'll inhale your back bend variation. And exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, right leg rises. Exhale, step it between the hands. Rise to crescent on the inhale. Opening up, warrior two, exhale. We'll flip the front palm, reverse the warrior. And exhale, coming into side angle. So that front forearm rests gently above that front knee as the back hand reaches up towards the sky. Go ahead and work on revolving the chest and the core towards the ceiling as you bring that top hand in line with the ears, creating a straight line down the body all the way to the back foot. On an inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, windmill the arms, moving through your vinyasa. We'll inhale cobra, maybe up dog. And exhale, pressing back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, step it between the hands. We'll rise to crescent on the inhale. And opening up, finding warrior two, exhale. Flip the front palm, reverse the warrior. And exhale, shifting forward, finding side angle pose. So that front forearm rests gently on the front knee, and the back hand is energizing up towards the sky. You're broad across the chest, revolving it up towards the sky. And go ahead and bring that top hand in line with the ears, creating a straight line from the fingertips all the way down the back leg. On an inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, moving through your vinyasa. Chest lifts, cobra, maybe up dog. And exhale, pressing it back, downward facing dog. We'll inhale, hips lift, elongating the spine. And exhale, step or fly, top edge of the mat. Inhale, hands to shin, flat back. And exhale, folding forward over the legs. We'll inhale, arms circle, root to rise. And exhale, hands in prayer in front of the chest. Go ahead and close down the eyes here. We'll take an inhale. And exhale, releasing it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick 10-minute flow on the fly. I'll be posting a new flow to this channel every week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. The Love and Light in me recognizes that same love and light in each of you. I hope you had a fantastic practice, and together we'll say, Namaste.